So let's start creating our blueprint YAML file. Go to blueprint and create a new file. Blueprint type, subtype it, and we choose a name, something like blueprint WLP for WebSphere Liberty Profile YAML file. This is an empty file, so we need just to add some component starting from the image. We can choose SUSE, Linux, Ubuntu, Red Hat, and we are working with this Amazon AMI, and we add Linux operating system. Then we need some network. We are working with AWS Ireland, so this is the virtual private cloud, and we connect the network to our image. So we need to add the UrbanCode deploy component, and we work with this Liberty profile. So WLP will be the component application WLP process deploy, and then we add some security. We add Liberty security group because Liberty profile need to be open port 9443. We click on the IP to have the IP public address, and we can set the file. To work with AWS, we need also a configuration file, so we create a configuration file. Here we are. We need to synchronize this file with the blueprint file. Adding a few info. So the flavor, it means the image and the key to be used, and save the file. So everything is ready. We can check the AWS instances. So we have here no instances running. We can check if deploy. Also, this is our application, no environment found, but we are ready to provision our environment. We can choose a name, for example, dev AWS, and set more parameters, just the zone of the VPC, and start the provision. We can check the deployment process, deployment request here, and if we check the AWS instances, we can see here that a new instance is running. So the new instance is almost ready. Now it's running, and we can check the next step. So a new agent is going to be installed on new deploy. So we can check, yes, not yet. Here we are, the new agent. And so the instance is created, the agent installed, and the application process is running. So here we are, all the steps of the process. So the application process of the Liberty profile is going to download the artifact and zip, start the server, install the admin center, then edit the server XML file and restart the server. Yes, last step. So the server was started. So the application is WLP, the new environment is this, and we can check the version of the Liberty profile that was installed is the 20.002. And we can check if the admin center is available. So this is our instance, and this is the host name. Yes, here we are. We can log in. And this is the Liberty profile available. So to do a recap, what we did is create a blueprint YAML file and add an instance, Linux instance from AWS, then add the network, security group, IP address, and add component. We just used one component, but obviously the application can be more complex with some configuration file, database, and you can change the order of each component you want to deploy. If we check the environment, we can also see the resource used, and we can see the agent was created, and then we can, for example, at the end we can delete the environment if it's not needed anymore. Just one click, we delete the environment that we don't need anymore. So no environment found, so everything was deleted. We don't have any more the agent also, and that's all. So thank you for joining this video, and see you next time. Thank you.